Hey, in this video I'm going to be teaching you how you can enable the autoplay audio option on Rednote. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. First of all, what you need to do is open up Rednote on your phone. Then click on the three lines on the top left hand corner and go to settings on the bottom left. After you do that, go ahead and tap on general settings. Then you can see the autoplay audio on Note under the function settings. Go ahead and enable this function and all of the audio will be auto-played as soon as you open the app. So as soon as you open the app, the audio will be auto-played, and if you want to turn this off, you can do it quite easily. Click on the three lines on the top, click on settings and go to general settings. And you can see autoplay audio on Note. Go ahead and disable it. So this is how easy it is to enable or disable the autoplay audio option on Rednote. I hope this video was helpful for you. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.